Hi, I'm Quincilia Siah, professional organizer in Vancouver, BC. I'd like to share with you some tips on how you can get organized after your big move. Being organized starts before the move. Purge before you pack and label each box clearly with the content details and the room the box needs to go into. This will allow you to unpack efficiently. Make sure everything is lined up before unpacking. Before you unpack, make sure you've cleaned all your cupboards, drawers, and lined them as needed. You'll also want to have your rugs and furniture in place. Nothing will be more frustrating than loading up the cabinet and realizing you've got it in the wrong spot. Unpack everything within the first 2 weeks following your move. We are creatures of habit and relaxation. Once you've moved in, whatever you don't unpack can tend to stay in boxes for a long time. So be intentional and give all your things a home. Unpack one room at a time. Start with the most important rooms: kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. Have your essentials unpacked on the first day of your move so you have a cozy bed to sleep in, your bathroom essentials easily accessible, and your favorite mug and kettle ready to greet you when you wake up. Flatten your cardboard boxes as you empty each box. As you unpack, flatten your packing paper to make sure no small items were left behind. Keeping a tidy space as you unpack will ensure you don't have any tripping hazards. A tidy space also allows you to think through the unpacking process more clearly. Eliminate empty boxes and packing material as soon as possible. Look to offload your reusable packing supplies in your local Facebook group. Having empty boxes and packing supplies kicking around reminds you of unfinished business, which feels like a constant to-do list. The sooner you get rid of your boxes, the sooner your mind and body can relax. Consider how you want to flow through your daily routines in your new home. You'll want to unpack your things and give them a home in such a way that supports the way you flow through your routines. For example, if you make smoothies for breakfast every morning, you'll want to organize a kitchen cupboard or shelf with all your smoothie supplies in one place. Consider hiring a team of professional organizers to do the packing and unpacking for you. Nothing beats enjoying your new home like a stress-free moving experience. Your life and your things are very personal and special to you. Make sure you meet with 2 to 3 professional organizers to find the right fit for you and your family. I'm Quincilia Siah, professional organizer in Vancouver, BC, and owner of SOS My Space. My natural intuition for organizing comes from a phrase I often heard my mom say to us in our family's flower shop: "Everything has a home." This is the foundation of my work.